Hello guys, welcome to Happy Steamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to check when you join Discord. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now tap on the settings icon. Tap on advanced. Now turn on this developer mode. And after enabling this develop mode, you will be able to copy your ID. Now open a server. Now tap on the people icon. And then tap and press on your profile. Tap on copy user ID. Now go to this website. And now you have to paste your ID here. And then just tap on check the date. So guys, now here you can check when you join Discord. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.